Hello, wonderful people. So today I have brought a recipe for you, especially for you diabetics that normally complain that you feel left out. You have nothing to snack on. You don't want to snack on vegetables. You don't want to snack on garden eggs. You don't want to snack on things like granules. You want something that feels like snacks. You want something that you can snack on. Today I'm going to prepare one for you. Yes, I'm about to make my diabetes friendly buns, and I decided to carry all of us along today. So let's go. This buns is what you can prepare at the comfort of your home. If you have a small oven and air fryer, it's something you can do, and then you won't be missing all the commercially sold buns and pastries that's going to spike your blood sugar. Trust me, these particular buns, these particular snacks will not spike your blood sugar, and you can make it from ingredients you can find all around you, especially if you're in Nigeria. So let's go. So here are our ingredients. So we have our soya chaff. This is the chaff I got after I made soy milk. So after extracting my milk, this was the chaff I got. I didn't throw it away. I dehydrated it a little bit, and then we are going to use this for this recipe. So also we have 2 eggs here. We are going to use it. We have a baking powder. We'll be making use of baking powder. This is psyllium husk. Is going to be our binder for today. Then this is a half cup measurement of coconut flour. Then to our sweetener, this is what I use. If I don't use stevia, I use a monk fruit sweetener. It doesn't spike blood sugar. It's tested and trusted. Then we will be making use of coconut oil. This is cold pressed original coconut oil, not even hot pressed. Yes, we are going to be using that. These are and then we have this is my salt, my pink salt. You can use any type of salt. You can use table salt, you can use sea salt, any type of salt is okay. But for me, because I have this at home, I'll be making use of the sea salt today. And these are all our ingredients. Then we have our warm water here. So let's go. Let's start preparing our buns. So this is a cup of that soy chaff. I'm going to go in with my coconut flour now. Give it a good mix. Mix this very well. Mix it very well. I'll be using a quarter teaspoon of salt. This is a quarter teaspoon of salt. For this recipe, I need a teaspoon of baking powder, and because this is a quarter teaspoon measurement, so that means I will take 4 of this. Can't start looking for the other measuring this right now. So this is 3. Then to the last dry ingredients, I'll be using my monk fruit sweetener. So I'm taking like a half tablespoon, and that's it. We want to give it a good stir it, incorporate everything. I think at this point I might need to just use my hand to work it in. My hands are clean. I just washed my hands before starting this video, so just need to use my hand to work everything in. So at this point, let's go in with our oil. The aroma of this oil. So I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of cold pressed coconut oil. Ooh, the aroma is inviting, honestly. Then next, we're going in with our eggs. Crack the egg. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. I think I went too aggressive with that one. Oops. I was too aggressive with the egg. So just work it gently. You just work it in gently. Then at this point, let's just add little warm water. Just a little. Just a little. And this is what we have. This is what we have. Can you see? This is what we have. This is what we have now. We need to allow it to set. So I'm going to time it. We'll leave it like this for 5 minutes. We allow it to set. We'll leave it for 5 minutes inside the bowl. Just allow it to set. Then while I go to prepare my oven, so this pan, let me just oil it. Just add a little oil. Just add a little oil and just toss around. So I'm back. I think it has set very well now. Just put some oil on my hand. Yeah, it's here. Yes. 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 So here is our buns. Our buns is ready. Can you see? With this, you won't be missing buns anymore. You can decide to also leave out the soya chaff and use purely coconut flour for this recipe. It's gonna be so good too. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Just like buns. Yeah.